So in response to the opioid epidemic, the county was very proactive in ensuring that our residents within Fulton County had access to care, that they were aware that we are attempting to address the issue that has been presented before us, and that was the opioid epidemic. In response to that, we implemented an opioid coordinator, an individual that specifically focuses on all things opioids. Through that, we implemented a Text for Help program, which is throughout all Fulton County schools. And what this program does is that we've set up a confidential text line where if an individual student is experiencing an array of emotions, it doesn't matter, there are no limits, they can text this line. A mental health professional will respond to them within 2 minutes from the time that they send the text message. So within the Fulton County Behavioral Health Network, we also have a partnership with the City of Atlanta through Partners for Home, and that is a permanent supportive housing initiative. And what our agreement is that Fulton County will collaborate with the City of Atlanta on the development, implementation, and the provision of supportive services for 550 supportive housing units. Which is a very exciting initiative because we are taking the unsheltered, transitioning them into shelter. In addition to that, we are also providing them with the necessary support so that they are successful within their new status as being sheltered, because the transition from unsheltered, which previously was tagged as homelessness, going into a sheltered environment where now you have a permanent home, sometimes you are in need of that necessary support to make sure that you're successful. So Fulton County, in collaboration with the Board of Health, Morehouse School of Medicine, and the Black Cross, received a grant to increase health literacy within Fulton County as a result of COVID. So this was a post-COVID grant to ensure that our community was equipped with information and knowledge around their health. Because what we found during COVID is that more people were experiencing depression and anxiety. So through this grant, we were able to implement strategies to increase the community's awareness around mental health as well as other health-related matters. We were able to purchase a mobile unit. So now you can see us floating through the community that says, help is here, and we truly mean that. Help is here. It also asks a question, a very important question. Are you okay? So if your answer is no, just know that help is here. And it's okay not to be okay, but people just need to acknowledge where they are in that space and reach out for assistance. So the best way to obtain additional information in reference to Fulton County Department of Behavioral Health and any other department within Fulton County, because we do a lot of great work, is to go to our website at www.fultoncountyga.gov. So through our behavioral health network, we are able to ensure that the residents of Fulton County have access to behavioral health outpatient services for adults. Once again, those services are rendered by Grady. In addition, they are rendered by River Edge on behalf of Fulton County government. Our child and adolescent services are through our collaboration with Chris 180 and Georgia Hope. Our permanent supportive housing initiative, those services are offered by Step Up on Second and River Edge. Our reentry services are offered by Chris 180, that focuses on our emerging adult population, and our reentry services that focus on women is offered by Women on the Rise. Through our behavioral health network, we also provide school-based mental health services, which means that we place a clinician within Fulton County schools to ensure that our students have access to care and that their school day is not disrupted to leave to go for an appointment when they can access that therapeutic service right there on campus. Those services are offered by our partners, Summit Counseling Center, as well as Chris 180. It's very important that all residents realize that the Fulton County Department of Behavioral Health and Developmental Disabilities, we are here to serve. We are asking the question, are you okay? If your answer is no, just know that help is here.